Hi everyone, this is Madhu from Success Next, your communication coach. Today I'm going to talk about 3 tips that will help you deliver stunning PowerPoint presentations. Okay, the first one is do not start with the slides. As counterintuitive it may sound, it doesn't make sense for you to start your presentation prep by opening up the PowerPoint. The first thing you have to do is to think about what you want the audience to do after the presentation. So for that, what are the 3 top messages that you want to convey? Okay, brainstorm stories, examples, case studies that will amplify those 3 messages. Only after you have done this 3-part preparation, you can go log into the computer and open up your PowerPoint. The second thing is, this is something that I see so many people doing, is to use the PowerPoint slide as a teleprompter. They write in all the text that they want to talk about on the slide, and then they look around and read it from the slide. That is so boring. Think about it. As an audience, when you have a presenter read the text from the slides, how do you feel? You feel bored. It's the same thing. Do not use PowerPoint slides as a teleprompter. So rather, just use the PowerPoint slides to amplify your message and you do the talking. So if you really have a lot of content that you think the audience will benefit, give them a handout or send those details via email. How to know which slides to include in the PowerPoint presentation. So I use a 3-point checklist. If any one of those 3 points are satisfied, then I keep that slide. It's very simple. You have to make sure that slide either satisfies the criteria of making the message more memorable to the audience or making it more easily understandable for the audience, or if it makes them gravitate towards your presentation. Focus on the presentation. Something like a prop or something to grab the attention is mostly an opening slide that you might use. So if it doesn't satisfy any of those 3 criteria, do not keep that slide on your presentation. I hope you enjoyed watching these 3 tips on delivering stunning PowerPoint presentations. If you like to watch similar content, do subscribe to our videos either on Insta or on YouTube, and I'll be happy to develop more content that will be helpful for you in the future. This is Madhu from Success Next, signing off.